Hundreds of residents and tourists have been evacuated from the coastal region on the eastern Aegean island of Lesbos, after a wildfire broke out on July 23 in mountainous forests. The fire, which has been raging near the coastal area of Vatira, a popular tourist destination, has burned 1,700 hectares, or 4,200 acres of pine forest so far, as well as a number of homes in the village, and other properties. 50 firefighters along with 9 water-dropping planes are working to extinguish the blaze, along with volunteers and military personnel. Heavy seasonal rains have caused flash floods in several parts of Yemen over the last few days. The worst affected were Sana'a and Damar governorates in central western Yemen. According to the Red Cross, at least 14 people have died, and 3 others went missing. A strong explosive eruption took place at Sakurajima volcano at 11:05 Coordinated Universal Time, throwing large volcanic rocks as far as 2.5 kilometers, or 1.5 miles away, and urging the Japan Meteorological Agency to evacuate residents living within 3 kilometers, or 1.8 miles from the volcano. Tourists in the resort town of Gelendzhik, in the Krasnodar region, witnessed a sudden dark cloud appearing over the Black Sea, from which formed 2 impressive waterspouts. They were moving towards the shore, but after a while, they disappeared.
Ну, это уже серьезно.
A weather emergency was declared in Karachi, as heavier than usual monsoon rains continue to lash Pakistan's biggest city, flooding homes, and making streets impassable. At least 11 people lost their lives in various parts of the city, with 5 of them being electrocuted by power lines that fell into flooded streets, which is a regular cause of death in the city during the monsoon. The National Disaster Management Authority said, at least 312 people had died in the country since June, as a result of the monsoon rains. A fire broke out in the forest area, in the upper part of Aden Soke district, spreading rapidly, due to the strong winds. 18 helicopters, with 3 of them with night vision, 11 planes, 56 sprinkler and water tankers, 7 dozers, and 540 firefighters are involved in extinguishing the wildfire. Firefighters from several countries have joined forces to fight a fire in the Bohemian Switzerland National Park, in the north of the Czech Republic, that has spread to neighboring Germany. The fire broke out on Sunday, and was partially contained, but windy weather caused it to spread again. Authorities evacuated residents from the town of Rinsko, and the village of Mesna, where the flames destroyed and damaged several houses. Additionally, dozens of German children were evacuated from a summer camp on the Czech side of the border, and transported back to Germany. A raging grass fire burned 26 homes in its wake, in the suburban Dallas neighborhood of Balch Springs, Texas. The fire is believed to have started when a grass-cutting crew struck a metal object, causing sparks, and an eventual blaze of the grass, that quickly spread, and within minutes, at least 5 homes caught fire. Soon, an entire row of houses and backyards was engulfed in flames, as dozens of firefighters arrived on the scene, trying to contain the blaze in 100-degree heat, as it swept further into the neighborhood. The Vegelatrave fire, in Zamora, was brought into the stabilization phase, after burning nearly 2,000 hectares, or 5,000 acres of forest, and claiming 2 lives. The advances of the flames and smoke forced the evacuation of 14 municipalities. It is assumed that the forest fire was deliberate, although this has not yet been officially established.